A cordless impact wrench delivers powerful, portable fastening, making automotive repairs, tire changes, and heavy-duty projects faster, easier, and more efficient. My today's video is about top 5 best cordless impact wrench review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Magson 1/2 Cordless Impact Wrench. The Magson 21V Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and dependable tool built for demanding automotive, construction, and DIY applications. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers up to 1200 Nm, 900 ft-lbs of torque, making stubborn lug nuts and heavy-duty fasteners easy to remove. The included dual 4000 mAh batteries provide extended runtime, while the fast charger minimizes downtime for uninterrupted work. 3 adjustable speed settings offer precise control for different tasks, and the forward/reverse modes with auto-stop help prevent dropped or damaged fasteners. Built with durable ABS housing and heat-treated chrome vanadium sockets, this impact wrench is designed to withstand tough job site conditions. The integrated LED light improves visibility in dark or confined spaces, and the ergonomic trigger ensures comfortable operation. Complete with essential sockets, an extension rod, a sturdy carrying case, and responsive customer support, this cordless impact wrench delivers exceptional performance, durability, and value for both professionals and home users. Now our second product is eCaptain Cordless Impact Wrench. The eCaptain 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench stands out as a premium choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 1500 Nm of reverse torque while offering 3 forward torque and speed settings for precise control across various applications. The dual 4000 mAh 15C batteries provide extended runtime, fast charging, and reliable performance even in temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius. Its rugged construction combines nylon, glass fiber, aluminum, and reinforced CRMO steel for exceptional durability and heat resistance under demanding conditions. The reverse auto-stop function improves safety by preventing fasteners from flying off, while the built-in LED light enhances visibility in tight or dark workspaces. Complete with impact sockets, charger, toolbox, and belt clip, this kit is ready for automotive repairs, truck maintenance, construction, and industrial projects. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it offers outstanding power, reliability, and long-term value. Our third product is Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench. This cordless impact wrench delivers an excellent balance of power, convenience, and durability for both DIY users and professionals. Its high-performance brushless motor generates up to 1200 Nm, 900 ft-lbs of torque with 3 adjustable speed settings reaching 3500 revolutions per minute, providing efficient fastening and bolt removal while operating quieter and lasting longer than traditional brushed motors. The included dual 4.0 Ah batteries ensure extended runtime, and the fast charger minimizes downtime, making it ideal for continuous work. A bright built-in LED light improves visibility in dim or confined spaces, while the reverse brake stop function enhances safety by preventing loosened nuts and bolts from flying off unexpectedly. Suitable for automotive repairs, tractor maintenance, construction projects, furniture assembly, and general home use, it handles demanding tasks with ease. The complete kit includes batteries, charger, impact sockets, and an extension rod, offering everything needed to start working immediately. Overall, it provides outstanding value, performance, and reliability. Now number 4, CZI Impact Wrench 886 ft-lbs. The CZI 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench combines exceptional power, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an outstanding choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its brushless motor delivers up to 1200 Nm, 886 ft-lbs of loosening torque and 1000 Nm of tightening torque, effortlessly handling rusted bolts, truck wheels, and heavy construction tasks. 3 adjustable speed modes and variable speed control provide the precision needed for everything from delicate fastening to demanding industrial work. Dual 21V 4.0 Ah batteries with rapid charging minimize downtime, while the intelligent battery indicator keeps power levels in check. Built with a rugged tungsten steel anvil, alloy steel hammer, and military-grade ABS housing, this tool is engineered for long-lasting performance in harsh job site conditions. Smart safety features, including overload protection, auto-stop, and efficient cooling, enhance reliability and extend motor life. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with a bright LED work light, the CZI Impact Wrench delivers professional-grade performance with excellent comfort and control. And our last choice is Albin Cordless Impact Wrench 1/2 inch. The Albin Cordless Impact Wrench is an excellent combination of compact design, reliable power, and everyday versatility. Despite its lightweight build, the brushless motor delivers up to 600 Nm, 450 ft-lbs of forward torque and 800 Nm in reverse, making it capable of handling stubborn fasteners, automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, and DIY projects with ease. Two adjustable speed settings provide precise control for different applications while improving efficiency and extending motor life. The included 4.0 lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting runtime, and the fast charger quickly gets the tool back in action with minimal downtime. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in tight or dimly lit workspaces, while the brake stop function adds safety by preventing loosened nuts and bolts from falling or becoming damaged. Complete with 6 impact sockets, a charger, battery, and a convenient carrying bag, this impact wrench delivers dependable performance and excellent value for homeowners, mechanics, and professional users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.